once again, yeah, quick background about myself is that my name is PT Hani. I'm a process trainer here in Acadsoc, and as you can see in my background, it's Acadsoc, guys. Right? Okay, so, diba? Yeah, for today's video, I will be teaching, or we will be talking about Class N. Okay, so Class N, guys, as you all know, if you don't know, okay lang. Okay, so Class N is one of the very, used tool. Kung sa Tagalog, siya yung tool dito sa Acadsoc na gamit na. Okay? So, yeah, super gamit. Kasi, guys, 98% of our students here in Acadsoc are using Class N. Okay, so, kaya gamit na gamit siya. Kayo ha, mga green-minded. Okay, so, yeah, they are using Class N. So, we have 4 teaching tools here in Acadsoc, guys. We have QQ. We also use Skype. We have a classroom, which Acadsoc made it. Okay? And then, the last one, which is Class N. So, Class N, ito po yung tool dito sa Acadsoc na pinaka-used. O, diba, Anli? Oh, yes. Pinaka-used siya. And, when I was still teaching, guys, since we cannot teach na, since, of course, naka-admin position na, charot. Okay, so, I'm a process trainer now, and we're not allowed to teach na. So, when I was still teaching, Class N is my favorite tool among the 4 tools here in Acadsoc. Why? Because it's like you are teaching inside a classroom, though, of course, virtually, right? So, it's like you're teaching in a school setting environment, though it's through, computer, virtually teaching your student. Okay? So, sa classroom, guys, or sa Class N, you already have there yung pens, the blackboard, not really the blackboard, but the board where you can use to draw something, to type something. You can also give rewards to your students, if they did good, or wala lang, give lang ng reward or ng trophy para ma-happy si student. Okay, so, yeah, ang disadvantage lang ng Class N, guys, so marami. Okay, so it needs a lot, or sige, English pa. Okay, so, there. Ang disadvantage lang ng Class N is that, need niya ng super kabilis na internet. Okay? Kahit yung 20 Mbps nyo, guys, na fiber sa PLDT, kaya naman, but mostly, guys, it will really run slow. Okay, that's why teachers will really have problems. They will really struggle, guys, if ganyan. Lalo na pag peak hours. 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. guys. Mawawarla talaga kayo. Trust me. But it's a part of being a teacher here in Acadsoc. Okay, so kung ma-experience naman yung mga ganong technical issue, then don't worry, guys. It's not only you. Okay, marami kayo. Marami tayo noon. Okay, so hindi lang ikaw yung may problema. Sila din. Tayong lahat, guys. So, that's why being an online ESL teacher needs a very, very high patience because, of course, you will be working at home. Kung may kid ka, mag-iingay pa, right? So, you need to have patience. You need to have a lot of patience. Okay? Tapos, yung scheduled na brownout or scheduled power outage, tapos hindi mo pala alam na may schedule pala. Okay? Tapos, yung internet mo, guys, na napakabagal. Tapos 20 Mbps na fiber na siya. Tapos, yung bayad nyo, 1899. Tapos, napakabagal. Guys, but I'm not demotivating everyone. I just want to set the expectation. Kung yung feeling. And, what are the things that you should be ready if you want to venture into online ESL teaching. Okay? There. So, yeah. And, yeah, going back with our agenda today. So, yun nga, we will be talking about Class N, how to download, how to install, and how to log in. class in tool. Okay, so guys, I uninstalled my class in here sa computer, sa laptop, para lang dito na video, so that you will really see and know what will happen talaga during download. Okay, so now let's start. Without further ado, let's start. Ika nga ng mga vlogger sa YouTube. Without further ado, let's start the video. Alright, so yeah, just so you know guys, this is my first video that I'm going to upload here in YouTube, because yeah, a lot of people are telling me that vlogging or YouTube vlogging guys is very mainstream. Okay, nakikiuso daw. I don't care. So I made this video so that I can also help you guys if you are really into teaching, or especially here, if you really want to become a teacher here in Acadsoc. So this is for you guys. So I hope that you will learn a lot from this video. A lot daw, pero class in lang naman. But it's very important guys. Okay? So first things first is, of course, you need to open a browser. Okay, open a browser. So let's resize this first. Okay, so you'll see my face. Of course, yung face ko talagang bida. Right, so of course I have my notes here. So guys, your trainer will be giving you the link to download class in. Or the other way, you can visit the website to log in. But don't worry, because during my training, if you're under my team or if you're under me guys, then I will be really giving you the link, because yung link sa website doesn't work. It doesn't work guys. I'm not sure why is it. That's why I have my own link here to use, so I can download class and I can give it to my trainees. Okay, so now I already entered the link here. So if you're using Windows 7 or later, or Windows 7 app guys, it will do. You just have to select this one. Okay, to select this option. And actually guys, class in is a very nice tool. Okay, because you can download it using your mobile phones. It's kahit naka-Android ka or naka-iOS ka, you can upload it. Alright, just have to search it in Play Store, class in, or ano ba yung store sa iOS, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm not an iOS user, but before I was, but I already forgot guys. Okay, and then if you're using other OS or other operating system, then you can click this one right here. Okay, so since I am using Windows 10 guys, I'm using Windows as my operating system, so I must select this option, Windows 7 or later. So you just have to click it, and it will be downloaded, and just have to wait for it para ma-complete siya. And then after it once it's already complete, then you just have to click the file here. Okay, so almost done. Let's wait. Alright, there. So you just have to click the file that you have downloaded, and this one guys. So the class in setup, you just have to. Alright, so here guys, after you click the file that you have downloaded, it will route you to class in setup. Okay, once you see the class in setup screen, like small box lang siya sa screen niyo, of course, you just have to click OK or run. Okay, because if you will click no, hindi siya mag-i-install. Okay, so you need to click OK guys. Okay, so once you click OK, then you need to select setup language. You need to set up the language. So much preferred if you will select English. And then once you select English here, then you need to click OK. Ito nasa dito ko. Kate, kanina pa. And then guys, you just have to click install now. Right, so wait. Char. The reason guys, ba't ako gumanon, para lang meron naman ding exposure yung tattoo ko. So it's a rose and name of my daughter, Olive. Yun lang, segue, advertisement, commercial, para di naman kayo mabored. Okay, so it's almost done here. So as you can see guys, it's already 1 a.m. Kasi, ngayong mga time na to, ngayon lang, quiet sa room. Kasi of course, tulog na si Olive. Olive the Great. So, yes, there. It's already done. And once it's done, you just have to click Start Class In. Okay, so Start Class In. And wait na naman tayo. Mga 48 years. Char. Alright, so it's already here, guys. So you just have to click. So this is the logo or the icon of Class In application. So you just have to click it. Okay, once you click it, guys, or once you click it here, then this is where you, this is where you log in. Okay, so there are two ways, guys, to log in in Class In tool. Okay, so the first option, guys, to log in is exit. So let's close this first. Okay, minimize pala. Okay, so here, ano ba to? Forgot and lost of words. I'm always like that. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Alright, so here, guys, yeah, the first option or the first way to log in to Class In is you need to open the application here itself in your desktop. Bah. So open it, and then you need to log in manually using your class and phone number and your password. So guys, wag yung phone number niyo na use 09222222 ha, hindi siya mag-work pag ganyan. Okay? So here, okay. So guys, once a student books a class with you, then you already have, or the logins will be indicated there as well. Okay? So naka-indicate na yung phone number at saka yung password niyo doon. So how? Don't worry, I'll teach you later. So ngayon muna, the first option nga is to open the application in your desktop and then log in manually. So this is where you log in. Okay, so close muna natin to, guys. Okay, so now let's go to the second option. Alright, so second way or second option, guys, is of course you need to log in. So I'm currently using the old version of the Acadsoc tutor system, guys, because wala lang, mas gusto ko siya, mas detailed kasi. At saka, dito ako na-used because Acadsoc has a new tutor system, guys. So that's tutor.acadsoc.com. Okay, this is the new version. This one right here. And this one here in this part is the old version. Okay, so bahala na si Batman, guys, pero I will use the old version. So you just have to enter your Acadsoc email and Acadsoc password. So click sign in. Hala ko, wrong password. Patay tayo dito. So ayun. Char lang. Okay, so second way, guys, to log in is first you need to go to the class table tab. So click the class table tab. And then after you click the class table tab, you will see here your class table. So class table, guys, this is where you can check your schedule. And of course, pag ganyan lang, hindi mo makikita yung schedule mo unless if you start teaching at 10 a.m. Okay, so here, you need to scroll down. And you scroll down, guys, you will see there a book slot. Book slot meaning merong student or a student, nag-book si student. English pa, di naman marunong. Okay, so here, and if you want to check the schedule for the whole week, you can just click the week button right here. Okay, and once you scroll down, you will see there your schedule for the whole week. But this one is like a demo account, guys, so you cannot see their schedule. Okay, so ayun na nga, second way to open Class In. So you need to click the, click mo yung schedule, guys, click. Alright, so once you click it, guys, ayun na nga. Here, sa tutoring tool part, meron dyang Class In. Because, of course, you will be using Class In, right? Right. Okay, so second way is you need to click Open Class In. You need to click the Open Class In button, guys. You need to click the Open Class In button. Okay, so click this one right here. So again, ito yung second way, ha. So click the Open Class In button. Shout out. Open Class In button. Only. Okay, once you click the Open Class In button, then you need to like open Class In button again. So click this button right here. And then there's no need to like enter your phone number and your password because it will just log you in, guys, automatically. Okay? And then here. So yung tanong, asan yung mga student dito, miss? Okay, wag excited, ha? So, you need to click the calendar icon first. So, click the calendar icon. And once you click the calendar icon, guys, ito na yun. So, dito mo makikita, or this is where you can see your students for that day. Okay? So, 5 minutes, or like, yeah, 5 minutes before the time, guys. Like, for example, ito, 1700s. This is 5 p.m. Okay, so 1700s, so 5 p.m. So, by 4:55, you will see here an enter button already. So, once you see an enter button, then you can enter. And regardless, guys, how many minutes pa before the class, you can always enter the classroom. Because you can click naman the prepare button. Okay, so prepare button. So, once you click the prepare button, this is how the classroom will look like. So, ito na siya. So, we will not discuss further what's inside the classroom because, yeah, yun nga, yung agenda natin ngayon is how to download, install, and log in lang. So, we will not discuss the tools. But, yeah, since you already like, saw it, then, of course, there are tools here, guys, that are very useful when conducting classes. So, yun na nga yung pen, guys, to. So, yung pen lang muna, di-discuss natin. Okay. So, ayan. That's the pen. So, for the next video, if you are still interested to work in Acadsoc, then, yeah, wait for my video how to, like, use ClassIn, guys. And, yeah, how to use the basic functions, the tools inside ClassIn. So, if you're still interested to work here in Acadsoc. Okay, or if you just...
Alright, so guys, that's for today's video. And hope that you like it. And hope that you will stay longer with Acadsoc. So if you're no longer with Acadsoc now, it's still fine. Maybe it's not for you, or maybe nakatadhana ka lang talaga na manood ng video ko. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button, guys, to keep updated with everything, like kung anong ganap ko dito. Okay, so I will not post like Acadsoc videos only, guys, teaching videos. I'll be posting videos about my life. So this one is my first video because I know a lot of you will really need this. Ayun, English pa more. Okay, so a lot of you here who's watching really need this.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye guys.